physically and emotionally or spiritually. At tato. Pero I will answer too, no? Physically, because I have many scars. Bautin ko lahat yan. Those are scars of victory. Noon, pag nakikita ko yung mga scars ko, di ba? Nung first time I met you, I know many things about you before I met you. Nagagalit yung, I have 52 mental scores, di ba? And one was under replacement, just to refresh your memory. I have an impaired ear. I have 4 spine operations. Unrepeatable, as I mentioned. And so, just to relate you one story. When I was in jail, 4.5 years I was in jail. Nakikita ko yung mga scars ko, yung mga peklat ko. It keeps it burning. And there's anger, there's bitterness in my soul, anger in my heart. Pero my mother is a teacher, nakita ng mother ko yung scars sa sabi niya. Bakit why are you always upset with those scars? Don't you know that those scars are scars of victory? That you fought them all, you promised them. And so, that will be very memorable to these scars. Now, we go to something that is immaterial. Material things that transcend from one class to another, from one generation to another. Ang naalala ko din how we fought hard with my comrades. Yung mga nakikita ko din dito, they fought a big battle unknown to me. But these are the people who bled in the front line. Sila po, kami. These are all wounded. Mga wounded natin itong mga nandito na unsung heroes. Kaya I hope I can impart a lesson. I cannot, there are 230,000 and more police officers and more than 110 million Filipinos. I cannot have a conversation with them one by one. I hope that this docu-film and the MTV composed by knowledge and a certain Eric Kaluwaya can communicate even in my absence. I will remember that, and I hope that you will remember it also. It will be in Spotify, and hindi ko alam kung that will be accommodated sa Netflix or somewhere. But the intention is to educate and to inform the people that it's not only about me